Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming admin rights and a stable network. This avoids permission and timeout issues. Next, close overlays and resource-heavy apps because they conflict with the launcher. Once done, check Windows and GPU driver updates to eliminate compatibility faults. Then, open Task Manager to kill lingering riot or game processes. You must ensure no duplicate executables run. Finally, reboot the PC to apply updates and clear temporary locks so the launcher can initialize cleanly. You should run the Riot client with admin privileges and immediately choose the repair option. This corrupted client files. If freezes persist, run sfc/scano to fix Windows system files and follow with dism restore health if sfc reports issues. After that, verify game files through the client to replace missing or damaged Valorant files. If verification fails, uninstall only the problematic components and reinstall them. This targets faulty assets without a full OS. You must perform a clean GPU driver install using the in safe mode to eliminate driver conflicts. This often stops startup freezes. Then reset networking, flush DNS, and renew the IP, because name resolution or routing can stall the launcher. Make sure VPNs or proxies are off. If the problem continues, fully uninstall Riot Vanguard and Valorant, then reinstall both. Vanguard reinstall resolves low-level driver hangs. If it still fails, try a different user account to isolate profile corruption as a key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.